Hey everyone, welcome back. My name is Zane and today we'll be having a look at the Polestar O₂ Roadster. This car is absolutely stunning and Polestar has just revealed this new car that they're currently working on. This is their electric roadster car, basically an electric supercar to compete with the Tesla Roadster and with the likes of Porsche. So I was absolutely surprised with this car reveal, but nevertheless, I was absolutely happy. This car not just looks luxurious, but this car actually has its own drone. It's absolutely incredible. This car has its own drone. You heard me correctly. So this car will be built with a bonded aluminium unibody. It will have a mono-material interior. Now these are all encased in a progressive Polestar design. They've taken a bold design on this new car. The Polestar O₂ is an electric roadster concept that reclassifies the sport car. No roof, no noise, no fumes. It's completely electric. So Polestar O₂ actually takes the design language established with the Polestar Precept much further, creating a new premium performing paradigm. This is all bundled up in a new roadster, a new electric roadster. A unique two-door convertible concept that merges art with technology. Remove the roof to experience pure performance without any noise. And this is what Polestar is using to drive the hype around this vehicle. And there will be a lot of hype because this is one of the most serious competitors towards the Tesla Roadster. Now, Polestar is also focusing on aerodynamic quite a lot. They're focusing on aerodynamic efficiency to the extreme because they understand that with this new vehicle, if they can get this vehicle to be extremely aerodynamically efficient, they can actually get more performance and more mileage. Now, the O₂ exterior has clearly been influenced by aerospace design, both aesthetically and aerodynamically. Rather than resort to an outlandish wings or spoilers, the O₂ features integrated aero ducts in the wheel arches and rear lights that doubles as air blades. How incredible does that sound? The innovation in this car is more than what it seems. If you read into it, you'll realize that what they've created is absolutely revolutionary in the EV car space. Now let's talk about the bonded unibody design. Stiff, responsive, and incredibly light, the unibody of the Polestar O₂ is made from different grades of anodes aluminium, bonded with adhesive and oven curd with a highly favorable strength to weight ratio. Apart from enhancing the performance, the bonded aluminium allows for more design flexibility, catering to different wheelbases while maintaining the precision and detail obsession focused with the Polestar hallmark. And something unique about this vehicle is that Polestar specifically said that the material being used in this vehicle is made to be remade. Now I am aware one of the most exciting parts about this video for everyone watching, they want to hear about the drone, the cool features of this car, a cinematic drone experience. That's exactly what Polestar is bringing to this vehicle in standard. So Polestar 2 doesn't just elevate the driving experience, it allows you to record your experience driving this vehicle. Housed in the rear is a cinematic drone that lifts off and lands while the vehicle is in motion. It operates autonomously, allowing the driver to select atmospheric or action-filled sequences. And when the O₂ is parked, videos can be edited and shared directly from the center display. That would be the car's display. The car computer can edit the video and you can share it straight from your vehicle. Technology is changing, what can I say? And that's actually really exciting. You're able to deploy the drone, document the drive, and capture the fun of premium electric performance. Now additionally, Polestar is using a mixed amount of materials that have been separated before recycling, making the process more difficult. Polestar O₂ proves that the car interior, based on single material components, can pair style with sustainability. Conventionally, the vehicle interior consists of a wide range of materials. At the end of the vehicle's life, these combinations are hard to separate, making it extremely difficult to recycle them back to their original quality and using lots of energy in the process. In contrast, all the soft components of the Polestar O₂ interior are made from one base material, highly recyclable thermoplastic. Therefore, the form, the adhesive, the 3D knit upholstery, and the non-woven lamination can all be recyclable without any energy-intensive separation or loss of attributes. Now, everything about this car screams luxury. Now, for now, this car is just a concept, but they really want to bring this car to full fruition. because they need to compete in the space of all EV. Now the O₂ is the second concept car from Polestar after the Precept from 2020. The full electric car is a hardtop convertible with a 2+2 seating arrangement. This means that the rear seats will be a snug fit for anyone over 8 years old. Polestar says that its UK-based R&D team has found a way to make this work in a mass manufacturing context, when before it was deemed labor-intensive and suitable mainly for low-volume performance car. Additionally, Polestar says this process allows for a greater degree of design flexibility. So adjustments for different wheelbase, for example, can be apparently done with comparative ease. Polestar also claimed that its bonded aluminium architecture is geared towards dynamic driving. With tight handling, the results of small roll angles and high roll damping, as well as agile steering. We will know if this is the case when the Polestar 5 arrives in 2024. Now, while the 4.6 meter long car will supposedly use the same battery as the coming Polestar 5, aerodynamics are used to maximize the O₂ unspecified range with the disguised design feature, including integrated ducts to improve airflow, as I've said before. And I think these are a real innovation. These are becoming more popular in the EV car space. It's all about having the car to be more aerodynamically efficient. Now, I've got more information on the development of this drone that Polestar has integrated into this Roadster. We've been rolling around in the hilarity of how impossible that drone is to make work like they claim. Now, the most likely option is for Polestar to outsource this drone development to a secondary company, possibly even DJI. I think if Polestar were to focus on building this drone on their own, I think it will take away resources from their main objective, and that's to build more cost-efficient electric vehicles. Polestar engineers have developed a specialized airfoil that rises beyond the air seat to create a calm area of negative pressure that would allow the drone to take off when the car is on the move. Once in flight, the drone will be able to operate autonomously, following the car at speeds up to 56 miles per hour. Using the main cabin touchscreen, the driver can choose between an atmospheric sequence, great for a coastline cruise, or an action sequence. Now, the parent company of Polestar is Geely. They're a holding company of Polestar, along with Lotus and Volvo, and many other companies in the sector. One of these drone makers is Aerodynamic, formed in 2017 out of the merger between Geely and US-based Terrafugia. Hokoflow, a brand for which I can find no online information, has apparently worked with Polestar on the design of this mobile launching drone, intending to record the perfect driving sequence. Wright then went on to question the battery capacity of the drone. There's a tiny little box in the middle of it that would probably fly for about 10 seconds, and I know this because I made one similar spec and it flies for about 10 seconds at that speed. You gotta understand, the speeds are up to 56 miles per hour. That's gonna take a lot of battery consumption. So the idea of having this drone in this vehicle is still unproven. If Polestar actually pulls this off, this would be really incredible. But is it really worth their time? Is it really worth their resources? So this was my look at the Polestar Roadster O₂. I'm absolutely excited for this car. I'm also excited for the Polestar 5 that will be coming out in 2024. And I'm excited for the Polestar 3 that should be getting released later this year. So it's absolutely exciting, it's absolutely incredible what Polestar is doing. I like to see companies innovating, but more importantly, proving that they can build what they say they can build. I'm also looking towards Polestar SPAC merger early this year. Hopefully we'll get that in around Q2 of this year. That'll be quite exciting. I'm excited for this car because it's absolutely beautiful. This car is a perfect way for Polestar to compete with the likes of Porsche and the Tesla Roadster. I'm looking forward to see what Polestar creates in the future, and I'm looking forward to seeing this car come to life. So it does seem that while Polestar is a quiet company, behind the scenes they've been doing a lot of development and they've been doing a lot of innovating, and I can't wait to see more of what they're creating. Thank you for watching this video until the end. I really appreciate that. Leave a like and let's have a discussion. That'll be actually quite exciting. And of course, I'll see you in my next video. Thank you for watching.